I just thought of this brand new nature documentary made for TV that some network or some producer that produces nature programs like Lauren Green's New Wilderness can make, like, for example, there were those that made the Lauren Green's New Wilderness TV program, Lauren Green's New Wilderness. So here's an idea for Birds and Blooms. You know the Birds and Blooms magazine? Well, Birds and Blooms is a magazine. I subscribe to that magazine, I like it, Birds and Blooms magazine. But they also subscribe to National Geographic, Canadian Geographic, and Canadian Geographic has a TV show documentary, and so that National Geographic is on TV, and Smithsonian is another magazine I subscribe to, and there's a Smithsonian channel on Cogeco Cable. So the Birds and Blooms magazine, my idea is make a made-for-TV documentary show on Birds and Blooms. You know, the Birds and Blooms magazine. And it's a very good magazine, shows all kinds of birds and flowers. And I was thinking, if someone could make this into a documentary TV show made for TV, just like I used to like to watch Lauren Green's New Wilderness. If you remember the actor Lauren Green on Bonanza and Battlestar Galactica, he hosted a documentary on nature, a documentary TV show about nature, and it was called Lauren Green's New Wilderness because Lauren Green kind of hosted that. He narrated that, then you could see Lauren Green was in the Lauren Green's New Wilderness, all about nature documentary made for TV. So I was singing to make Birds and Blooms, you know, Birds and Blooms magazine. So make Birds and Blooms nature documentary TV show made for TV and put it on the major networks that show good quality nature programming like Oasis Nature, BBC Nature, and all kinds of nature TV programs on Discovery Nature, you know, PBS, and all the major networks that show nature. And so make Birds and Blooms not just a magazine, but a nature TV and nature show made for TV, like Lauren Green's New Wilderness. Thank you.